Alright, good morning guys. Thanks for coming along, see what's going on. If you know the car, been following the car, this is Fruit Loop, my 2007 335i. We just got done putting the car on bags. It's on air suspension now. And we also are on our 6th revision of the tune for the big single turbo, and we are now at 26 PSI. So, here's the engine bay. Literally the engine bay looks like this when the sun's directly in it. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love it. Show it to y'all in the sun. So, as you can tell, I've destroyed my front splitter. I hit a tire the other day and it wouldn't work. So she is now completely shot. But I'm gonna go on some rips. We gotta get some logs this morning while the weather's nice. So here we go. Fruit Loop on a tire. Let's go for some rips. Okay, hi guys. We have the car warmed up. We put some gas in it. And I'm going to show y'all map 1 through 4, how to do map switching, the difference between 20 pounds of boost and 26 pounds of boost on a big single. And I'll do some second gear pulls in all 4 and some third gear pulls. We're also going to do some data logging while we're out here in Mexico. Just, you know, might as well get some information while we're out here. So we're in map 1, which is 20 PSI. I'm going to drop her down into second gear. Alright boys, hold on.
That was only 19.
Yeah, 19 pounds. We'll also do some rolling anti-lag. Just cause. Okay, second gear rolling anti-lag. Man, she got squirrely. So I use rolling anti-lag. I use the lever. I usually don't use the negative, the down button on the volume. It's just more convenient, more friendly with my hand, I guess, since my hand's already kind of wrapped around. So for rolling anti-lag, you'll have to have DCT all the way off, which will be the circle and the triangle, and you'll pull this back at around 3,000 RPMs, foot to the floor, and then let off. That's how you do rolling anti-lag. Kind of do a tutorial on how this works. Also, map switching is volume down, channel down, just like that. And it brings up flashing service engine soon. And you'll use the channel up and down to go through your maps. Map 4 is 26 PSI and so forth. So we'll go into map 2. To come out of this instrument gauge cluster area, you'll hit down on volume, and that'll take you right out and show you what your actual RPMs are. So if you get beat at 20 PSI, you just be like, hey, let's try it again, and give her the beans at 26. We'll do a full log in map 1. Alright, third gear log. Usually don't like to shut her down that fast, but the car kind of pulled out, so better safe than sorry. He just ran the crap out of that light, didn't he? Going to map 2. I will say map 2 is where I really felt the difference in this car. The 22 PSI really kicked things in. And y'all might be able to tell via the how the car reacts. We get her down in second gear. And here we go. reference, we are running a Mickey Thompson Street R tire on this car. So for us skating around, we're not just skating on some PS4 or something. We actually have a tire back there. Now that tire's got about 30 pounds of pressure in it, so we're not getting all the grip, but we're running a Mickey Thompson that is warm now. It's not cold, so that 22 pounds of boost, she's not holding it. If y'all can hear that turbo, this car also has a T51R mod. Check them out at OCD Works. Showing peace. Oh, peace sign?
Oh, did he?
Yeah. It's either flipping us off or he's peacing us out. I'm not sure what. We'll go with peace. Just a third gear pull here. Alright, here we go. It's map 2. And I'll go into map 3.
It just keeps getting more and more violent.
Yeah, the car just keeps kind of pulling harder and harder. Rolling anti-lag on third gear here. Get her kind of straight and flat. And here we go. Rolled through a couple gears there. Also, if you're new to the channel, we are shifting with the RTD short shift kit. This is the Mini and not the Race. The Mini is still much taller than factory shifter, so. Super notchy. Actually ran my second best quarter-mile time before the big single turbo after doing this installation. So, very happy with the results. Okay, we'll hit it in second here. 24 pounds of boost. We get 23.6 pounds right there. Road's rough. Get us a third gear pull, third gear log, and map 3. Here we go. Golly, the car was getting it that time. It's 23.9 psi. I know it's hard for y'all to tell over video, but this car is progressively gets faster and faster every map we go up. Now we'll switch into map 4, which is 26 psi. We're kind of choosing to stop at 26 psi. We feel like that's a safe number, and 26 psi is between 650 to probably 700 wheel horsepower, somewhere really close to that range, depending on how much timing and how much fuel he's got in the car, but would be your about estimate. 26 psi. Alright, third gear pull. As soon as FedEx gets out of the way. And map 4, 26 psi. There we go. He's gonna get a little bit more than just the third gear. We're gonna hit this other gear. She felt good. 25.7 pounds. Our max solenoid and everything's doing exactly what we're supposed to. We We targeted 25.9, we hit 25.7. This car is super consistent on hitting what its target is supposed to be. Getting really good target, getting really good actual boost readings. Max solenoid will not let us go over target, so like, car is set up. Car is on a reflex. If you are kind of not new to the channel, if you're new to the channel, car is on a reflex. Car is running a 3-port max solenoid, precision 6266 turbo. We're on port injection, 2 Marble 450 fuel pumps in the back, and we have a Precision Raceworks fuel regulator in the car with a return system on it. So it's very good to have more than enough fueling for your application. Guess we haven't done rolling anti-lag in map 4 yet, have we? We just turned around, guys. We're gonna do rolling anti-lag in 2nd gear in map 4, 26 pounds boost. Maybe we'll hit a couple gears. Whoa, went from 2nd to 4th. I haven't even hit rolling anti-lag in 2nd gear and 4th yet. We're gonna roll through some gears here after anti-lag. That was wild.
That's Party City.
Yeah, it was.
He was eating there.
Did you hear me slam into the 3rd?
Yeah.
I slammed into the 3rd hard. Holy cow. No, I think that was a good way to end the video.
Yeah.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and comment. Hopefully soon we're going to take this car to the drag strip and get a time. Like, if you've been following the channel, we're going for a 10.9 or better, and I think the car is going to do it. I think the car is going to do it. The car's making good power. Stock motor, 166,000 miles. Stock transmission, not stock diff. Blew that up a while back, but doing pretty good. So thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one. Peace.